Gen Z and communication, setting the record straight.
Many believe that Generation Z only wants to text and rarely talks on the phone. But is this stereotype accurate? Let's take a closer look at the real communication habits of this digital native generation and challenge some common myths.
Myth: Gen Z hates phone calls.
The idea that Gen Z avoids all phone calls isn't entirely true. While texting and messaging are common, research shows Gen Z is open to phone calls in certain situations, such as emergencies, personal conversations, or when faster resolution is needed.
Myth: Texting replaces all other communication.
Texting is popular, but it doesn't mean Gen Z dismisses every other method. They often use a mix of texts, voice messages, video calls, and even in-person conversations, choosing the best tool for the situation. Flexibility, not just preference, shapes their choices.
Why Gen Z chooses texting?
Texting offers convenience, privacy, and time to think before responding, which appeals to Gen Z's fast-paced, connected lives. It also helps them multitask and avoid awkwardness, but it's not a complete replacement for deeper, real-time conversations.
The reality: blended communication styles.
Gen Z's communication is about blending options. They appreciate digital tools, but also value authenticity, clarity, and meaningful connection, whether by text, call, or video chat. The real preference is for effective, context-appropriate communication, not just texting.